Hey, this is Scott. I just wanted to record a quick video here. It's as you can see, it's November 20th, about 2 o'clock p.m. Pacific time, and right now Bitcoin's right at about 82.75. So good news there. Hey, I just want to follow up some of the things we discussed about the other day in our meeting. I just wanted to bring you up to speed on USI Tech. This is where we're investing a lot of our Bitcoin right now to grow it. Obviously you can buy Bitcoin, let it sit and grow. You can trade it, or you can do something like this, and this is turning out to be super profitable because they're paying us 1% a day on any Bitcoins we invest, and I'll take you through it real quick. So you can acquire Bitcoin with no join or other fees. Again, it's free to join. Multiply your Bitcoin without having to buy more over and over. And if you wish, now this is super important, you can just come into the program, buy your packages, and just watch your Bitcoin grow. Or you can bring in other people and become an affiliate. And when you become an affiliate and you bring people underneath you, USI Tech will pay you a commission on that. And I'll get to that in just a few minutes. Excuse me. So, and again, it's at no cost. USI Tech, just a little bit of a background, international financial services. For the past 7 or 8 years, they've been specializing in Forex trading. So these guys develop software to do bot trading on the Forex market. This year they got into cryptocurrencies, and it's just exploded. How do we get paid? You're probably thinking, well, how are they going to pay us? Do I have to bring somebody in behind me for them to pay us? And is it some creepy pyramid scheme? The answer is no. They trade, they mine, they arbitrage, and they also invest in ICOs. And this is how they are able to pay us 1% per day based on the amount of packages that we have. Go look up the founders. I highly encourage this. Go to USI Tech on YouTube and look up USI Tech founders. And there's plenty of great videos of those guys talking. Super sharp guys. Again, they started with automated Forex trading software like bot software in the Forex market. And so right now, like I said, what we're doing is we're buying these Bitcoin packages. And they start as little as $60. So you transfer your Bitcoin into USI. You buy $60 worth. That's one package. If you want, you can buy 1,000 or 2,000. It's totally up to you. And they're going to pay you approximately 1% per day, and that'll increase your Bitcoin 40%. Now, Bitcoin. We're not talking about the value of the Bitcoin. They're paying us back in Bitcoin. That's huge because even if Bitcoin goes down, you're still hedged because you grew your Bitcoin. You weren't, you're not paying. We're not getting paid back in dollars. So, and it's 140 business days, so 5 days a week. I think this was like 28 weeks. I forgot. I did the math the other day. But this gives you an opportunity to compound your Bitcoin. So you're growing it every single day. And you can reinvest it, or you can take whatever they paid you. And at the end of 140 days, if you invested a Bitcoin, in 140 days, you can take that 1.4 Bitcoin that you've now accumulated, and you can push it back out to your wallet. Or you can reinvest it along the way. So what I'm doing is every day I'm reinvesting anything that in my 1% that comes out per day. I take that and I reinvest it back into Bitcoin, or sorry, into the packages. So in 120 days, or 140 days, look at this as an example of just buying 20 right off the bat. So you buy 20 packages. That's what you put in Bitcoin. On day 140, you would have 79 packages purchased because you're just continuously rebuying. What's the value of that? 0.7003. It's 4 times your Bitcoin. Okay, and then day 26, if you keep going, day 260, sorry, you'll have 120 packages, and you'll have 1.0638 Bitcoin. That's Bitcoin right there. So 20 packages at $60. You look at today's value, 20 packages, that's less than a quarter of a Bitcoin, well less than a quarter of a Bitcoin, and in 260 days you could have a full Bitcoin sitting in there. So I highly encourage you to go on to hit the link below, go in there, sign up. It's free, don't cost nothing. Go in there and take a look at the rebuy calculator, and also just look around at some of the different things, the commissions that you could make if you were to bring people in, and do the rebuy calculator based on what you think you'd want to buy, and it'll show you exactly how much money you'll be making at days 140 and days 260. And again, they're paying us back in Bitcoin, not cash. So if you want to take everything off the table at 140, don't do any investing, and then whatever you made, above this 40% above 1.1773, you can take and move it back to your wallet. So real quick on the commissions, right, direct referrals, people that you bring in. Somebody walks in the door with like $1,000 in Bitcoin, and they invest that into Bitcoin packages, those BTC packages. You make $100. If they bring 10 grand in, you're gonna make $1,000. So, and then as it goes down, if they were to sign up somebody, and if they were to sign up somebody, people below you, you'll get 3% on all of those as well. So study this. I'm just going to leave it up here for a couple more seconds, but it's also on the website and in the members area, and you can see exactly how it goes into a lot more detail than this. But it's a super great program, and again, no cost to come in, and you're going to be able to multiply your Bitcoin over 140 days, 280 days. So check it out. If you have any questions, I'll leave my email down there. Hit me up, and I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks. Bye-bye.